Introducing the Ape Labs double wall minis. These are wall sconces, basically two 15-watt RGBW LED uplight and downlights. Right now I'm operating on the downlight. I'm going to move over and turn on the uplight so you can see both operating. I'm using what they call a 2.4 gigahertz wireless remote. It uses, instead of IR, it uses RF, radio frequency. And it's a very simple remote to control. These lights are DMXable as well, wireless DMX, and they'll work with 3,000 foot range. They transmit to each other. Very robust system. They're designed, engineered, and manufactured in Germany. And they share a lot in common with their battery-powered portable brethren, the Ape Labs family of lights at apelabsusa.com. Check them out. We're going to select groups 1 and 2 and just do a fade in between some preset colors. You can see that both the tops and the bottoms change at the same time, but they keep different colors. It's beautiful. I'm going to go all the way over now with the long button pressed to the right to go to green. And then I'm going to select just the downlights, or uplights, pardon me. I'm going to move 2 sequences over, and then I'm going to push all groups, and then I'm going to shuffle through those light sequences. I can actually put them on a speed change, so I can do a gradual change. If you'll notice, every time I press that, I accelerate the change of speed by 20%, up to 100%. If I did 100%, it would look a little radical, as you can see here, but we're going to bring that down to about an 80%, or pardon me, a 20% fade. And then we're going to continue to move through the color sequences, just to give you an idea of the many moods and scenes that you can select with the presets using the non-DMX functionality of these lights. Again, once you have DMX installed and activated, you can have unlimited palette of colors. And we'll just continue to cycle through. And again, this is a fully lit room. You can see that the lights really just add a dramatic ambiance to the room. Really gives it a finished effect. Very dramatic, very tasteful. Depending on the color, you can make it playful, whimsical, somber, peaceful, all kinds of effects you can have here just by selecting specific colors in combination with each other, or you can go with the same color for both up and downs. Let's do that right now. We're going to move over to the rainbow color, and we'll just have a gradual fade, as you can see, between green and red, fuchsia, pink, blue. Very slow color change. I've accelerated it slightly so you can see, so we can cycle through these a little more quickly than if I put it on a very slow fade. But you could make it almost indistinguishable to your guests. But you can lower the brightness. I have it down to 80% now. We could actually lower it down to 20%, so it'll be almost unnoticeable. And it's a very slow fade that your guests wouldn't even notice unless they looked up over time and saw, oh, they've changed color. So very subtle lighting changes here going on. And this is through what they call the rainbow chase mode. We could change those colors to a different preset where we have, say, a blue, and that could change over, I believe this is white, if I'm not mistaken. If we allow it to have a color change here, it just gradually changes into a white. Very dramatic. And now we'll just kind of continue to cycle through here. Go from a kind of a fiery orange, and we're going to be presented with somewhat of a fuchsia. Very dramatic, into a blue. Very intense blue. Again, this is at 80%, not 100%. And we're just going to cycle through some different color choices. I'm going to speed up the changes so you can see the dramatic differences we can have here. Pulsing. Very unique. We can slow this down. Now I'm going to introduce the cans, the light cans, bring those on. Along with these, bring everything up to full. And as you can see, we have all the lights are synchronized to operate together in the groups that we've assigned, which is groups 1, 2, and 4. And now that we're on just up lights and down lights, I'm going to turn on sound active and also speed up our sound or our changing color here and give you an idea of what we can do here.